about? Look, I get you.
Ah, what was that? We need to get out of here, quick.
I was wrong about you. You're not the donut
You
lord
need to
at all.
move
You're
faster,
the
Guish.
jerk lord.
I can't. I can't move from faster. Do something. Woody.
Sonic!
I
was
can't.
forced from my
Help
home. No
me.
home is perfect. I
Oh,
believe in
wait.
you.
What
Why
happened
would
to me?
do that?
You have superpower.
No, not again.
Oh,
Hold
hold on.
I'm gonna
Okay,
do this.
I will do this. Oh, one. Woody, Woody, Woody Woodpecker. Oh, I am tired. What happened? I'm so dizzy. What happened? Oh, did I make it? I get him.
A Sonic one?
The
A
Woody
big tank
Woodpecker
zero.
number
I'm
super
sorry.
one.
I
You
don't care
did
how you
it.
not
You
did.
did it, Woody.
No
Yeah, I have no idea how to destroy.
Yes, I saw
You did it.
Is that all you got? No, but
No,
thank
my
you for
way,
asking.
boys.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Sonic,
Woody,
get back in the truck.
let's
You
get out
go.
of here.
I'll catch
Go,
up.
Guish. Are you okay? Wish I will catch you. Ha. Whoa. What happened with that robot? He has a baby? No, he has. He's not, Tommy. So what is the problem of that robot? Uh-oh. Incoming! Ah! Ha! You lose.
Where you going?
What are you
Just flying
doing,
the
Woody?
car.
I'm just trying to kill this robot. I will get this.
Can't touch me. You seem good at that.
Come on, Woody. You can do this. Ah! Haha. Hello, everyone. Who's there?
Step one.
Ha ha ha. Wow, looks like beautiful. Oh, this is not good.
We did not do it. Who is this guy?
Wow,
Ever wonder where your tax dollars are going?
My turn.
this is my turn. Yes?
Put in cruise control.
What are you doing?
Just like Vin Diesel.
Drive with this car, okay, Woody? Tommy, protect the car, okay? I take care with these robots. Ah,
Quick suggestion: roll up into a ball and smash it with your body.
Woody, what are you doing? Why you're not driving?
Try here in this truck. It's happening as we speak.
Ugh.
I can't reach it. Bring him in closer. What? Bring it in closer. Hit the brakes. Oh, you mean this one?
The
Brakes.
you. Haha, I gotta. Yes. Oh man, this is so hard. Why? Oh, can we take with this baby? No way. It's dangerous. Oh yeah, you're right. It's dangerous.
Don't be so terrible.
What happened? He's going to destroy our car?
You got car insurance,
Oh no. Ah! This is not right. Ha! I got this. Come on. What the? What is this? A stinky bomb? Why? Throw that bomb. I can't throw that. Come on. Easy.
Did I get it? No.
Yeah.
Here, hold still.
Ah!
It's going. It's still here.
Ah! Help me! Ah!
Get off me.
Yes.
Nailed it.
Yeah. Woody? No! Woody! What's wrong? No. Come on. Speak to me. Wake up. Wake up. Tommy, we need to go my home. Okay, let's go.